Hey everyone, here's Lucy's puppies. We just expanded their space, almost doubled it, and they are just loving it. I could tell they were ready to start running a little more, burning some energy. Got a little a little crate in the back, which I think they will take to that really well. And I do have a more traditional playpen, wire gated one that they will move into in a week or two. But right now, this is still nice for Lucy because she can jump in and out. She's still nursing them quite a bit. And so I would just like to let her wean them as she pleases. Penny, be quiet. Here's Bunker. He's been playing with this toy for like 15 minutes, which is like eternity for a puppy. He loves it. It's so cute to me because his older brother, Chewy, that was his favorite toy. Oh, I lost it. Here's sweet Ruby. Ruby's still looking for the family. She's so sweet. There's Daisy. Hey, Daisy. How rude. Here comes Maggie. Good girl, Maggie. There you are. Good girl, Maggie. Ruby really wants my attention. And there's Amethyst. Please go. Everyone's doing really good. We're gonna have another really fun week of changes and playtime and toys and potty training. Maddie's home now to help, so that's fun. Good boy. And that's it for this week. We'll update you guys next week. Thank you.